Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today we are comparing two popular models, the SMUG Countertop Ice Maker and the COWSAR Ice Maker. Both machines promise quick ice production and convenient features, but how do they stack up against each other? Let's dive into the details and find out which one is the better choice for your needs. When it comes to ice production speed, the SMUG model can produce 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, making it slightly faster than the COWSAR, which produces 8 cubes in the same time frame. This could be a crucial factor if you're hosting a party and need ice quickly. Both machines have impressive daily ice production capabilities, with the SMUG producing 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours, while the COWSAR slightly edges ahead with a capacity of 26.5 pounds. This minor difference may not be significant for most users, but it could be a deciding factor for those who require a bit more ice. Both the SMUG and COWSAR ice makers come equipped with self-cleaning features, which is a fantastic convenience for users who want to maintain their machines effortlessly. This feature ensures that you can enjoy fresh ice without the hassle of manual cleaning. In conclusion, both the SMUG and COWSAR countertop ice makers offer excellent features for ice production. The SMUG has a slight advantage in speed, while the COWSAR has a marginally higher daily output. Ultimately, your choice may depend on your specific needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.